How to log in United MileagePlus account. If you wish to log into your United MileagePlus account, first of all open up your browser and just go to united.com from your browser. Once you go to united.com, to log into your United MileagePlus account, on the very top right hand side you can see this account icon. Just click on the account icon and there you will be greeted with the sign in page. Now you can choose to enter your email address or your MileagePlus number, or you can also choose to log in using your phone number. If you have not yet created a MileagePlus account, you could go to this option that says create a MileagePlus account. Otherwise, you can just click on continue. On the next page, you have to simply enter your password, and if your details are correct, you'll be successfully logged in. Now sometimes if you forget your password, you can click on the need help signing in button and it will take you to the page where you can verify a couple of details like your email address and date of birth, and then you'll be able to reset your password. This way you'll be able to log into your MileagePlus account. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.